Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be seeing about variables, adding and subtracting numbers, and asking answers and if-else statements. This is the continuation of the first episode. So, 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 if you have not watched it, I have added the link in the description. Please watch it. So now let's get started by adding a variable name to. So so we are getting the input from the user as what is your name. Remember with the space here. Wait a little bit afterwards. So now after that print double quotations on this hi. After that a comma because the comma takes that it's another variable or something else. So name. So what's going on here? Let's check it out. See, what's your name? The computer's asking. So now I previously told it at a space here, right? This is for that the answer would not be congested with comma. Sorry, that question mark. So Jonathan, enter. So hi Jonathan. See, hi is a string which you need to say to the user and the user's name. So now next thing is we are going to learn about adding and subtracting numbers. So print with double quotations here. So in this we're going to do a simple addition like let's see 2 plus 3 and then equal sign. So equal sign and after that we are going to add a comma. As I said earlier, it's for defining a variable or something else. So in this we are going to do a simple addition like 2 plus 3. Remember to get this correct so also code will be wrong. So let's run and check it out. See what's your name. Let's see. Jonathan. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, that's good, right? Better. So now let's do a simple subtraction here, right? So print double quotations. Let's do like 10 minus 4 equals now a comma. So the same we remove the name. No, do not do stuff in this. So let's check it out. So so voila, the code here. Amazing, right? Yeah, very good. So now next we're going to be learning about if-else statements. So now so it's a variable. So it's going to input as I told earlier. Input. So what shall we do this input? Like ice creams. Okay. Do you like ice cream? So now a question mark. Yes. No. So now in this we put a colon here. And now let's see. So it says input. We don't have anything here. So we need to check whether the user says yes or no. Right? We are going to define an if statement. If answer dot lower. This lower thing will convert the user's answer to lowercase. Okay? Well, and then double equal to that means we're checking if it's equal to yes. So now remember to put a colon here. As soon as if you put a colon and press enter, you can see this the cursor automatically indentated. So now after this, let's try Friend, let's see. Yay! Ice cream is delicious. Let's see. Cream is delicious. Now let's check it out. So if you start an if statement, we must finish it. So now to get to an else statement. So else, so notice that we are not adding anything else like answer. So if we start an if statement, we must end it with an else. So else, then let's see. That's okay. Maybe next time. That's okay. Maybe next. Ah, now let's run and check your amazing program. So now, what's your name? So Jonathan. So how Jonathan took us 3:25, 10 minutes 46. So you like ice cream? Yes or no? Let's see. Yes. Yeah, I like ice cream. It's delicious. See, good, right? So again, I want the program. So Jonathan. So let's type in this here. Let's type no. See, that's okay. Maybe next time. Okay, good. Now I have an exercise for you that you must define three variable like lion, elephant, and giraffe. Output expected of mine will be that print on the string on the terminal. We must print lion, elephant, and giraffe in a single line. So next is define a variable like favorite animal. Like in that, ask the user what's their favorite animal. So if you type thing like tiger, so if the user types any animal, your response should be I like that animal too. If you type lion, tiger, cheetah, or anything, your response should always like that I like that animal too. So now your simple addition like 5 plus 7. That's all. Then define a variable called answer. Input should be do you like dinosaurs? Yes only. So remember to put this as in smaller case. So for no errors. Right? After that, create in an if statement and an else statement. Okay. After that, well, if the answer is equal to yes, then you must show that dinosaurs are amazing. So if that's no, you must type that no worries. Maybe you like dragons better. So now pause this video. This this exercise was for the first episode and the second episode. If you want to watch the first episode, so you will see my output. So now, shall we begin the output? So now we are going to define an animal. Animal. So let's say one. Animal one. Let's see, like I told you earlier. So lion. So animal two. It's elephant. So animal three. It's giraffe. So now, after that, we need to type the animals in a row. Okay. So enter. So then and then animal one, animal two, animal three. So now let's see about this. See, lion, elephant, and giraffe. Wonderful, right? So now let's see. Favorite animal, that's a variable. Favorite underscore animal. So if you are defining a two-word variable, remember to put an underscore for splitting the words. So let's try input. See, what is your favorite animal? See, what is favorite animal? So now let's give one space here. As I told you earlier, it will not be near the what? The question mark. So now I like that. I like that animal too. Let's see. Wow. Um, that animal too. So let's run that program and check it out. Let's see. Wow, I like that animal too. Nice, right? After that, simple addition. Let's see. 5 plus 7. So print. Let's see. 5 plus 7 equals, let's see, comma. So 5 plus 7. Let's run it and check it out. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Nice, right? So now after that, let's see this. Dinosaurs thingies. So, okay. Now see, we're going to define a variable called answer. In this answer, we are going to do input. So let's do you like you like dinosaurs. Let's see. Yes. Oh no. So space as I told earlier. After that, we are going to do an if statement. If answer dot for this lowercase thing. Over after that is equals to yes. The colon here. After that, we must do print um, dinosaurs are amazing. So now after that, let's see if statement I told you before. So now is statement. Now print no, no worries. You like dragons better. Question mark. So that's done. It's just done. Oh, so do you like dinosaurs? Excellent. So yes. Means amazing. So again, I know. So let's see. No worries. Favorite drama is better. Now that's all for our today's program. Comment me that if it was nice. I would be. I would love to hear comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Until then, bye. Happy coding.